Oh, this is already the peak of Mandupao. In the other side, that is sa Mount Napulak. Amo ni gisaka na mo last time ang Mount Taripis, no. One of the highest mountain in Igbaras, that is 1,320 meters above sea level. So this Mount Tupao is around 1,280 meters above sea level, no. So apat kami ka grupo, apat man ka guide, no. So napuhay-way lang ko diri anay kay nagkuha na hangin, no. By the age of 56, I still can manage to climb mountains, no. So thank you Lord for this good weather. So sa dito, that is already San Remeo, no. Okay. So good morning, and happy Saturday. Ang baligbanta ni karon ang pagpanaog. So anyway, may higot pero may ato technical nga wala sa higot. So hinay lang tayo, no. Thank you and happy Friday.